Hi guys, Engineer Alfred nga uli. For this video, basic mathematics again, we will discuss how to find the greatest common factor or yung tinatawag na GCF. So, paano ba ito kinukuha? So, all you have to do is to write down all the factors of each number and then find the common factor. Yung pinakamalaking common factor o pinakamalaking number na magkaparehas sa mga factors nila. Yun ang greatest common factor. For example, number 1. Number 1, we have 8 and 4. So, we will write down the factor of 8. So, the factors of 8 is 8 times 1, 4 times 2, and then, bukod doon, wala na. And then, factors of 4 times 1, 2 times 2, and then, wala na. So, factor, again, guys, yung factor ay yung mga numbers na minumultiply mo to get a certain number. So, in this case, yung 8 ay pwede mong multiply sa 8 times 1 and 4 times 2. So, ang factors niya ay 8, 1, 4, and 2. Okay? Again, ito ang factors niya. 8, 1, 4, and 2. Dito, anong mga number? So, 4, 1, and 2. Okay? So, yan ang factors sila. So, when you say greatest common factor, greatest, pinakamataas. So, hanapin natin yung pinakamataas na magkapareho. Okay? So, pagdating dito, pinakamataas na magkapareho nila ay 4. Meaning, GCF for 8 and 4 is 4. Okay? Example number 2, 30 and 60. Factors of 30 times 1, 15 times 2, 3 times 10, ano ba? 6 times 5, bukod doon, wala na. Okay? Factors of 60 times 1, 15 times 4, 3 times 20, 6 times 10, 12 times 5, and then, wala na. Okay? So, pipili natin number na magkaparehas na pinakamataas. So, si 30 may kaparehas. Actually, dito 30 times 2. Okay? 30 may kaparehas? Yes. So, mas mataas sa 30. So, wala na. So, meaning, pinakamataas na magkaparehas nila ay 30. So, GCF for 30 and 60 is 30. Number 3, 10 and 25. So, factors ng 10, 2 times 5, 10 times 1, and then bukod doon, wala na. Okay? Okay, factors naman ng 25 ay 5 times 5, 25 times 1. Bukod doon, wala na rin. So again, ano ang pinaka mataas nila magkapareho? Sa 2, magkapareho ba? Wala. Si 5 may kapareho? Yes. Si 10 may kapareho? Wala. So, pinakamataas na magkapareho nila ay 5. Meaning, GCF for 10 and 25 is 5. Okay? Number 4, 48 and 12. So, factors ng 48, 48 times 1, 12 times 4, ano pa ba? 8 times 6, ano pa ba? So, bukod doon, wala na. So, si 12 naman ay 4 times 3, 12 times 1. Okay? So, unang mataas dito ay 48. May 48 ba sa baba? Wala. So, pangalawang mataas, 12. May 12 ba sa baba? Meron. So, pinaka mataas nilang magkakapareho ay 12. So, GCF for 48 and 12 is simply 12. Okay? Number 5. 36, 72. So, factor ng 36, 12. Sorry So, factors of 36 is 36 times 1, 12 times 3, 6 times 6. Meron pa ba? 2 times 18. Okay? And then 72 times 1, 36 times 2, and then 6 times 12, and then 4 times 18. So, pinakamataas na magkakapareho nila, pinakamataas dito is 36, and then meron 36, yes, may kaparehas. Meaning, ito na yung greatest common factor nila. Okay? So, I hope na meron kayo natutunan for this video. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, please hit subscribe the button. And for more mathematics tutorial in the future. So, again, this is Engineer Alfred. God bless.